Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our seventh lecture titled What are the differences between independent and dependent variables? So I have divided my seventh lecture into the following elements as follows. What are independent variables? What are dependent variables? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. And finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, and exams. What are independent variables? Mostly in mathematics, equations, independent variables are denoted by X. Independent variables are also termed as explanatory variables, manipulated variables, or controlled variables. What are dependent variables? Mostly in mathematical equations, dependent variables are denoted by y. Dependent variables are also termed as measured variable, the responding variable, or the explained variable. Language activities, the word data as a noun, used as a plural noun. In technical English, when the singular is datum, an accountable plural facts or information, especially when examined and used to find out things or make decisions. For examples, what methods are you using to interpret the data? Data about patients is only released with their permission. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.